Hello and welcome. Check out the Partyreal CA8279 full-length mirror with a stylish arched metal frame perfect for any room. Its durable aluminum alloy frame stands out among wooden furniture and adds a modern touch to your space. The mirror features a high-definition reflective lens covered by an explosion-proof film for your family's safety. Installation is easy with options to freestand, hang on the wall, or simply lean it against your wall. Measuring 58 by 18 inches, it shows your whole body while brightening and expanding your room visually. This mirror is a perfect gift for housewarmings or holidays, combining style and function seamlessly. Enjoy a practical and elegant addition to your home decor with the Partyreal CA8279. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.